In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a waiver form to Wix. We'll walk through everything inside the Wix editor so you can quickly get a waiver form set up, customized, and ready for your visitors to use. First, log into your Wix account the way you normally do. Once you're in your site's dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and make sure you're on the Setup tab. This is where you can access different settings and tools for your site. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to open the Wix editor. When the editor finishes loading, look again to the left side of the screen. This is your main toolbar for adding and managing content. Find the button labeled Add Elements. Click it, and a panel will slide open, showing different types of elements you can add to your site. In this panel, look for the section called Contact and Forms. Click that, and inside it, you'll see an option specifically for Waiver. Select Waiver, and Wix will show you a list of available waiver templates. Take a moment to browse through them and choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's for events, services, or general liability. Once you've picked a template, simply drag it onto the page and drop it where you want it to appear. You can reposition it later, so don't worry if it's not perfect at first. When the form is on your page, you can start customizing it. To edit the fields and other details on the waiver, click directly on the form, then select Edit Form. A pop-up editor will appear. This is where you control the content, labels, and behavior of each field. Click on any existing field, then choose Field Settings. A Properties panel will open on the right side of your screen. In this Properties panel, you can change things like the field title, placeholder text, whether a field is required, and other settings that make the waiver match your legal and business needs. Take your time reviewing each field so the form is clear and accurate for your visitors. If you want to add extra fields to your waiver, look back to the left panel in the form editor. Browse through the available field types, then drag and drop the ones you want directly into your form. You might add things like checkboxes for agreements, additional contact details, or custom questions relevant to your service. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, move to the top right of the editor and click Save. This makes sure all your changes are stored safely. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a waiver form on your Wix site.